Next up, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy will deliver a virtual address this morning to U.S. members of Congress. You can see right there members of Congress awaiting his presentation or his address on the situation or the war between Ukraine and Russia here. You can ultimately watch this live on the Yahoo Finance homepage once Zelenskyy starts speaking. Now, Ukraine is pressing the United States for more assistance in its fight against Russia. And Jared, of course, this comes against the backdrop still of commodities prices that have come well off its highs.
That's right. And I have our commodities heat map up right now. You can see a lot of green. Lumber is in the forefront. It's up 5%. That's not a Ukraine trade right there. Wheat is down 2.5%. Palladium's up a little bit towards the top. Here we go, up 1.4% on the left side. But I'm not really seeing this related to the Ukraine conflict, which is nice to see. The dollar is dropping today, so that could be giving some of these markets a little bit of a bid. But I want to draw our attention to one market in particular. This is nickel. Now, this is the S&P Goldman Sachs Commodity Index for nickel, and this is supposed to be based on the LME. That's the London Metals Exchange, except nickel has been shut down since last Monday at midnight. They busted trades. JP Morgan was on the hook for maybe $1 billion or more, and now they're just negotiating through back channels to finally reopen this thing. Well, they reopened it last night, but only for a few minutes. They had to bust more trades and a bunch of problems. So really a lot of egg on the face for the London Metals Exchange, but that's another story.